How to get Snapchat Plus step by step. To get Snapchat Plus, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, from the main camera screen, you simply have to tap on the top left corner or your Bitmoji icon to access your profile page. From here, you should be able to find this Snapchat Plus card right below your username and your bio. You simply have to go ahead and tap on this. From here, your new panel will be opened where you will find subscribe option. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, you simply have to choose your subscription plan. However, it is not loading up over here because it is not yet available within my region. But if it is in yours, you should be able to find it over there. Once you tap on the subscribe, you simply have to choose a subscription plan, such as yearly plan or monthly plan. Then you simply have to authorize the App Store payment or verify that your linked credit card, debit card, or mobile wallet payment method is accurate. Once you do this, confirm the purchase and then you can start using your features. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.